Well, hello there, my pretties, and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. Today we've got a little special trip that we're going on to the makeup blowout sale. So join me, let's get started. But first, like, subscribe, and drop me a comment. Just about anything. So let's get started. Makeup Blowout Sale Group. They had one of their events recently in my city, and I went. And okay, now back, a couple years back, I didn't know anything about indie brands, I guess. And so, to me it was just all like, whatever. But I've learned a lot about indie brands, and in fact I like some indie brands way better than any high-end stuff, or expensive stuff. So I definitely appreciate this. So this year I had been following this group for a little bit and finally went because I didn't think it would be worth it, but after learning more about the makeups and such, I think it will be. So it was nice. It was fun seeing all that makeup, just going in there, browsing in a big room full of makeup. Hopefully my footage came out good enough to where I could have included in this video so you could see for yourself. But so this one I did get, it is the summertime version of the mystery box. They had the original and then they had the summertime. It was $45 plus tax, came out to $48 and some change, but I think that would depend on what state you reside in. So that's what I got, and I'm here to open this with y'all because, well, you don't go to the blowout sale without watching this first to see if it's gonna be something for you. You may not like this stuff. I think I will. I hope I will. Let's get started. I'm so excited. We need to hurry up and do this because I'm just so excited. Like, sorry. Yeah, let's just get started. Well, this box is saying otherwise, though. Okay, got that side. That side. Go down the middle. And as far as like, they sold individual stuff, obviously, and those items were, so for example, this palette here by Beauty Creations, Splash of Hues Volume 2. They had this one there, and I looked up online, and I guess makeup prices are going up. I'll tell you, they're going up. And this one here goes for $12 on their website, on Beauty Creations website. I saw it in store at this makeup blowout sale group event for $8. So I mean, that's a decent discount. That's like like 40% off or something. Just to see if we're getting our money's worth, So let's go. Sorry. Okay. So we're gonna start with a foam pop. What is it? Pop socket. But Kaylin, what's that? Is that a Cailyn? I've seen it before, but I don't know what it is. And I'm assuming that's it. Right there. Okay, so we got a cosmetic popper, which I won't use this, and that's okay. Okay, next up we have, what is this? Duped Cosmetics Basic. What is it? Basic what? Kind of powder on the outside. Anyway, I guess it's a setting powder. Comes with little instructions and a little sifter. And it's looks pink, so I'm assuming that would be maybe hopefully a translucent. There isn't a label on here, so Dupe Cosmetics. Next up we have this makeup, what is this? A mirror, like a purse mirror. That's cute. This is the design on that side, and then this is the design on that side. I like stuff like this. It's kind of vintage looking, you know? You know? Okay, so got that. I'll put that there. An innovative and routine simplifying skincare system that preps, primes, protects, and perfects skin for the most beautiful makeup application. Okay. Okay, mask okay. Mask okay. Yes, here we have a card. For $5 off your next online order with the code. Code is VIP5 off, all included in the little thinger, in the little description box down there. Enter to win a free mystery box every month for a year. I'm gonna have to try to enter this. I did go on their site, and you can order stuff. You can order, actually you can order this mystery box off online. I think, but to get to me, it was a $13 shipping. So I was like, I think I'll go when they get here. Besides, I'd like to see everything, just to see what the event is like in general. So next up we have S.he Long Lasting Lip Gloss. And it's a purple, a coral, and then like another pinkish. Well, okay. Okay, we've got that same brand, Kaylin. Kaylin's Selfie Ring Light. So you just pop it on your phone, take pictures. Right at my alley for a live show. SG11 Selfie Ring Light. Low light, even in low light, always shooting freely. Okay. Okay, we could better try blending maybe, because you know I just go into dark places and take pictures all the time. Okay, we have a Muse 4 color blusher, matte and shimmer. Okay. We have, what is this? Beverly Hills Method Volumizing Mascara with Conditioner. Effective Results Advanced Formula. Dark brown. Yeah, I won't touch dark brown. But maybe I know somebody who will. We've got Doll Face. I guess it's a little brush. Okay, that's cute. Doll face. Okay. Bye bye germs. Oh my god. All-purpose sanitizing wipes. Double Dare. Okay, so it's just a to-go package of sanitizing wipes. What is this? Mally. I've heard of this brand. Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra Ombres. And it is in the color, it's in the color put on your glasses, Leslie. Thistle. Interesting. Next up we have Beverly Hills Method Cellulitis Active System. So I can put this on my legs and it'll go away. Well, okay. It's a nice box. I'm trying to tear the nice box. And this is how big the product is. Pretty big. Stuck in there, but it is 4.5 ounces. Yeah. Who doesn't want to get rid of their cellulite, right? Ooh. Milk Makeup Lip Marker. This looks, I don't know. Well, it's all scuffed up on the sides, but I guess that could be from being in the box. I really don't know if it's used or not. Maybe it isn't. I don't know. Maybe it's just the way it comes, but that's pretty cool. That's a nice item. And we've got a Kaylin. Okay, we've got a Kaylin palette here. Primer, contour, and finish. Well, that's nice. That's a nice palette. They don't have any tags or whatever, but up next we have a Duped Cosmetics pressed powder palette. Well, let's see what it is. You know, I think I'm gonna look up this Duped Cosmetics because they seem to be including them a lot. Duped Cosmetics, and there is not a site for them. Well, I don't know. But here is the Duped Cosmetics pressed powder palette. Okay, so this is like brushes, blushes and contour, I guess, right? Blushes, something. That's pretty, actually. Okay. Next up we have, I'm gonna go with the Duped Cosmetics Eyeshadow Bling Bling. Ooh, I got me some eyeshadow bling bling! Looking at it like that. I mean, to me that makes sense, but I guess people want to do this. I mean, that seems easier to me, but you know. Oh, what is that color? Okay. Rather than just kidding. All dramatic. Okay, so this one is sealed, but we're gonna go ahead and unseal it. There, got the sticker off. Let's get this baby out. Maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, nice packaging. There you go. Okay, and then this side you turn it like that. It's upside down. Okay. And okay, that's pretty. Okay, I get it. It's supposed to be like the Too Faced chocolate bar or whatever it is. And I think it's cute. I probably wouldn't pay more than $10 for it, but I think it's cute. And it's the box is like a tin. It's a magnetic tin, so that's cute too. And then we have the holiday. It's She Makeup Holiday Color Palette. It's got all these colors in the sleeve. I like this. I really like this theme, the beach theme. Holiday, I really like it. I'm gonna go to the beach soon. I'm going to the beach soon. So let's open this up. God, I'm gonna have to take this to the beach with me. Yeah, Leslie, take makeup to the beach with you. Wow, it's really pretty. I'm really liking the array of colors. Got a little bit of everything. Doesn't have black, but that's okay. But it's got purples, blues, greens, teals, greens, yellows, orange. And then we go into some pinks and stuff. Red, got a red. Kiwi fruit. I really like it. It's really pretty. I just may have to keep this one for myself. Okay, so that is all we have in here. So let's do this recap. Let's do a recap. Let's count how many we have. Oh, plus for sharing the event on your Facebook page and for signing up for notifications or whatever, I got these 2 free items. One of them is Madly Matte Lip Gloss by Clean Color. I've heard of that brand. And then the other one is Amuse Cosmetics Voluminous Mascara. And this is a very cute tube. I like it. It's pretty. Different. And cheap. Affordable. Let's say affordable, not cheap. So, yay for my free items. That was very nice. And, okay, so the items, aside from those, we're not going to count those just yet. So we have the mirror, which is 1. The cellulite cream is 2. 3. 4. 5. Don't fall on me now, box. 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, yeah. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that's it, right? Yeah. Got 17 items in this box. And these 5 are eyeshadow palettes. So, my final thoughts on this box. It's worth it. It's definitely worth it. It had a little bit of everything. So really can't complain. I mean, I knew it was going to be indie stuff, which is usually cheaper. And how are you going to get a box of $50, a box of makeup for $50? So I would say this is worth it. I think I got my money's worth. I don't see anything wrong with any of this stuff. It doesn't seem like it's the least selling stuff, or I mean, maybe that pop socket thing, whatever, but I'm very surprised with the selection of items. I thought it was going to be the more basic items. I didn't think I was going to get the themed items like this one. So that was very pleasant to see. So all in all, yes, I would say this is a good deal. Just as long as you're understanding that it is indie. So if you like indie, yes, it's a good deal. If you don't like indie, don't do it. So yay, I don't feel like I wasted my money. I think it's all very cute, and it's a good event. I like that event. Things really did have some, some stuff was retail, but the majority of it was on sale. So yeah, I can't complain there. Just do your research and know what's going for what, so you don't overpay or whatever. So thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go play with my makeup now, if you'll excuse me. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Love you guys. Bye.